How are you guys? Today video we are going to learn about ClickFunnels and Go High Levels, and we will do some basic comparison on price, on functionality, and which tool is best for which businesses, which type of businesses. We will discuss each and everything in this video. So stay tuned and let's dive into video, and I will explain each and everything in this video. The first step, we will discuss about the Go High Level. Personally, I'm big fan of ClickFunnels website. Yeah, the website of ClickFunnels looks cool and pretty good and look more professional than Go High Level. Go High Level also have website. It's a good, but it's a more colors and more stuff there on a website. So that's why I'm not big fan of this layout, these websites of Go High Level, but I'm a big fan of ClickFunnels websites. So let's discuss the functionality of both platform, both CRM and both funnel design softwares. So first of all, we will go to the Go High Level. We can go with the ClickFunnels, and we'll discuss here what's the benefit to using ClickFunnels and how we can use. And one thing more, both platform are easy to use, and you can the interface of both platform is very easy for all type of user, even if you are non-technical person, and you can easily use both platform. So first of all, in ClickFunnels we have proven funnels templates. It means ClickFunnels have a funnel template that you can use, drag and drop to your account and make your website just in a 1 and 2 click. And they have their proven templates. It means they have their sales funnels. They have test their funnels template, and then they will make the live. And drag and drop editor, it's too easy. You can just drag and drop and design your website. It's like a WordPress, Elementor, or something like that. Even it's easy than Elementor or Wix. High converting checkouts. ClickFunnels also have checkout page. You can create your membership area, your course website. You can check your analytics, and also you can do A/B testing as well. There's a few gurus. They are talking about ClickFunnels, and yeah, ClickFunnels have 14-day free trial. You can get 14-day free trial, and you can go through all of its function and functionality, all features, and you can check one by one, step by step. So, and you can use, or you can check all the functionality. If you like it, then you can go with the membership. Otherwise, you can cancel anytime. You see, here is some mention you can cancel anytime. And after that, here is some benefit of using ClickFunnels. Without funnels, you cannot get more customer. You cannot sales, confusing buying process, sadness. But with the funnels, yeah, it's a true. I'm also a marketer and doing marketing from last 10 years. So yeah, making funnels, and you can say that you can secure more sales, more leads, more customer. Again, they have ClickFunnels. Again, they have free trials button here, and they are explaining their features here. You can design your funnels according to your requirement. You can integrate with YouTube video, you can Instagram video, Facebook video. You can just add in a 1 click and 2 click. You can create your website. It's super easy. You can move your website from Wix, WordPress, Squarespace. It's easy to use and easy to customizable. You can just do drag and drop, and you can make online store, e-commerce store from here, like Amazon store, like any other store, like eBay store, Walmart. You can design same as store using ClickFunnels. Also, you can create your membership area for courses, for training, and you can manage your CRM here, manage your booking. Manage your CRM means you can manage your leads, send them automations, emails. You can each and everything you can do here. And also you can send email marketing by the using third-party tools like Active Campaigns, MailChimp, and SenderGrid. They can integrate with ClickFunnels, and you can send emails. You can check your analytics. You have clear data, track your open rates, how many emails open, how many non-opens, and how many people click on the link. See your student progress and their digital courses as well. And also here is some functionality they the ClickFunnel have. Sales funnels, you can create sales funnels, websites, online course websites, workflow, landing pages, and also membership websites, global product, A/B testing, blogs. It seems like they have lots of functionality in a ClickFunnel. And you can store funnel, smart checkout, community. You can make community. You can API webhook. You can easily integrate third-party tools, and also you can manage your Instagram, a CRM. Like you can say that you can manage your appointment deals and invoices as well. And they have again their they have again their trial button here, and also what the customer says about ClickFunnels. And yeah, they won some awards as well from local business community for small business community. Yeah, that's the and one main thing is a price. Let's discuss about the price. For now, you can see GoHighLevel have $89, $81 per month, in which you can three workspace, three team members, unlimited funnels, course membership. But you can get three team members and three brand workspace. Brand workspace means you have three different business. Yeah, you can go with this one. But if you this pro plan, you can 10 big workspace and 10 team members, and these are unlimited. And if you can go with this one, this is 97 per month. And if you can go with the annual, then you have this. You can go with per month, then you have this. These are functionality. Let's dive into the GoHighLevel. In the comments box below, I just add my affiliate link. You can buy with the free trial with my link. So maybe I got some reward from this recording this video. Okay, let's dive into GoHighLevel. At the start of video, I just told you GoHighLevel have. I'm not a big fan of GoHighLevel website, but let's discuss this functionality and the main thing, functionality and all the main features. And here you can see they have 60,000 plus customer they are using, 1.4 million business using, and here is the total leads, and here is the conversions. It's look a big start for any marketing tools and any strategy. And here what you can do with the GoHighLevel, you can build your sales funnels, we capture your leads, start nurturing, and then close as a customer, as a client. You don't need to use these tools. These all combination of all these tools. And for emails, you don't need to integrate with any third-party emails like MailChimp, Zoho, and anything else. You can use your own. You can use their own nurturing system and email system, and no need to closing. You can check Stripe. You can add your Stripe. You can add Google Analytics. You can check each and everything and collect payments as well. And GoHighLevel also have 40-day trials, but I have big news for you. If you can buy from my link, GoHighLevel, from my link in the description box, so you will get 30-day trial. It's not a 14-day. You can get 30-day trial if you can go with my link. So you will get 1 month free from my link. Okay, and here you can capture new leads. For capturing leads, you can design funnels. It's a super easy. You can try landing page funnels, drag and drop. It's just 1 and 2 step, and you can schedule appointments online. And also you can start nurturing. You can send the GoHighLevel's main feature is you can send calls, you can send SMS, local SMS, you can send emails. But in a ClickFunnels, we have only SMS we have only email option. But in a GoHighLevel, we can send calls, we can send SMS, even we can use AI to reply all of our emails, SMS, and calls as well. And fully automated booking system, no need to human involved. You can make a conversion AI tool. It will be automatically book your appointment with your customer, with your local business leads. And also you can create your membership area, you can create your courses area, you can create your communities, you can make your task platform, and also you can close your deals. It's a very, very clear analytics system. You can watch, report each and everything. You can clearly in front of your eyes. and grow your business with Go High Level, yeah, I definitely I can recommend you go with the Go High Level. And I don't say ClickFunnels is not a good tool, but I think Go High Level is more better than ClickFunnels. They have win their awards in marketing industries. They have very good community on a Facebook for communications. They have very good support system, and also let's discuss about the price. They have $97 per month for three businesses. For three slides, it's slots. It's almost same. Unlimited, so you can see unlimited here. All the things are unlimited in 297, but they also have 497 package as well. What the customers say about Go High Levels, and yeah, that's it from this video. So my recommendation is you can go with the Go High Level. Go High Level is the best and best CRM. You can manage your leads, you can automate your businesses, emails, SMS calls. AI can book your appointment. You can easily create your uh, chatbot. You can easily create your call bot. Even it's super easy. You can use Go High Level. So for you, I just mentioned affiliate link in a description where you can get 30-day free trial, not a 40-day. You can get 30-day free trial and enjoy it. If you can buy from my link, you need to just go to my website. Here you can book appointment and you can say, I just buy Go High Level from your affiliate link. So I need configurations and all those stuff. I can do it for you free of cost. I can show you my package. I have this package, but in if you buy from my link, I can do it free of cost for you. These all things I can configure all of your Go High Levels things, funnels, automations, each and everything I can do with free of cost. If you can buy Go High Level with my affiliate link. Thank you so much for watching this video.